Okay, so now let us clean our chart of accounts. In order to record our chart of accounts, you just come to transactions and then chart of accounts. So as you can see here, there are multiple actually accounts, okay, accounting items. So we don't need actually all of these, okay. We may not have also some of the accounts which are necessary for us, but which are not actually included in the system, okay. So if it is not there, we have to add it. If it is not important for us, we have to remove it, okay. So I'll show you later. But before you do that, I suggest you to record your transaction, okay. For example, this one, June 1, 2024, our company, actually the owner deposited 50,000 to the bank account, okay? Now, what is the journal entry for this transaction? So basically the journal entry is cash of the company increases, the capital of the owner increases, okay? So for each transactions, starting from the beginning of the month, okay, to the end of the month, you have to prepare the journal entry. It will make your life simple, okay? This journal entry recording is not necessary, but it will make your life easier, okay? So after you do that, at the end of the month, obviously in accounting, we need to do some adjustments, right? Adjusting entry should be recorded, okay? So we have already covered in our previous accounting classes about how to record the journal entries and how to record the journals. So just follow the same principle, okay? So whenever we have a sales or whenever we have a purchase, for example, our inventory increases, and then we have to pay some input taxes. That is what you call the VAT receivable or VAT control. And then obviously if it is on account, if it is our purchase is on account, accounts payable will increase obviously. For example, in the 2nd of June, as you can see here, okay? Now, let us assume we have this kind of journal entry and this kind of adjusting entries, okay? So let us clean our chart of accounts based on our transactions. So I'll come here. So the first thing is actually cash and the cash equivalents. Obviously, I will need it, so I'll keep it. Account receivable, obviously, I will need it. Allowance for bad debts. I may not need this one, but for your project, if you need it, you'll just keep it. I don't need this one. Inventory, you can keep it, but inventory or inventory asset, just keep one of them. I'll keep inventory asset for me. Prepaid expense, I'll need it. Uncategorized asset, I don't need it. Probably can keep uncategorized and assets and undeposited funds. For example, this one, if you want to deposit your cash in a lump sum, you can just deposit to this account. Later on, you can accumulate that amount and you can deposit to your bank account. So this could be important, so you can just keep it, okay? Obviously, accumulate depreciation, this one is important. This one, I don't have this kind of account. I don't have taxes, it could be important, so I'll just keep it. I don't have goodwill, I don't have intangible, long-term investment, I don't have accrued liabilities, I don't have dividend payable, no. This one, dividend is actually mostly for companies, for corporations, but my company is a sole trader business, okay? So I don't have that thing. Just keep this one, payroll curling, I don't need this one. I don't have this one. Short-term debt, I may have that one. Just keep this one, VAT control and VAT suspense. The VAT control is actually when you first record the VAT taxes, but when you file it, it will be transferred from here to the VAT suspense. So these are important, just keep them. So I'm not going to have any holidays, so just remove that VAT. Remove, I don't have that one. This one's, I'm cleaning this one based on my journal entry, okay? I don't have this one, I don't have this one. Don't have this one, I don't have this one. I don't have this one. Okay, for the sales, you can choose either of these three, okay? But I need this one, so I'll just keep that one. Services, let us just keep it. I don't have a service income right now, but I may have in the future, so I'll just keep it. Okay, I'll remove this one, I don't have it. Cost of sales, I need it. Maybe I'll need this one, so I'll just keep it. Amortization, I don't have intangible asset. But this, you can just keep it. Bank charges, maybe. Commission, I don't have. Dues and subscriptions, I may have. Equipment rental, I don't have. Income tax, insurance. So just keep this one, the insurance expense. Interest expense, I have. Legal, I don't have. This one, I don't have. I don't have. Fees expenses. No, I don't have. Okay, this one you can keep either the payroll expense or the wages expense. Let us just keep payroll expense. Purchase, I don't need this one. The rent expense we have, we'll come back later. This one, I don't have this one. Supplies we have, killing this one. Utilities, I don't know, I don't have. The wage expense, since we keep the payroll expense, we can remove this one, okay? So after you select, I don't need the selected ones. So I'll just come here. Sorry. I'll just come here and then make inactive everything. Some of the accounts, they may not be, oops. The system is busy sometimes. Oh, I have to go back again because it is busy. Okay, so let us clean them. Okay, so some of the accounts, for example, something related to some of our accounts related to taxes, you cannot deactivate them, okay? So you can just keep them. But the remaining, they will be activated. Now we have only 46, so we'll edit later, okay? After I do this, I will come here, cash and cash equivalent I have, it's already here. The capital, let me see. Capital, I have share capital, but I need to edit it too. Share capital is for companies. For sole trader, it should be owner's capital or like this capital, okay? Just save it. VAT control is already there. Inventory, let me just see. Inventory asset. If you like, you can just keep it, but I will edit it. Okay. Accounts payable, it will be automatically created, so you don't need to create it now. Okay, this one already created. Account receivable and account payables are automatically created, so you don't need to create it now, okay? Okay, sales revenue. Okay, this one, you don't need all this. Let us just try. Okay, we removed the. Okay, now. Oh, okay. Sales revenue, we just come here. can just keep it, or but for me to make it more clear, I'll just edit it as sales revenue. VAT control, it is already here, as you can see here, VAT. So VAT control and VAT suspense already created, so you don't need to create. Cost of goods sold, let us see. Cost. We have cost of sales, okay? So just to make it more clear, change it to cost of goods sold. Already created. Okay, prepaid insurance, we need to create. Prepaid, it is prepaid expense, so let us edit it. Prepaid insurance, okay? Obviously, prepaid insurance is a current asset account, but it is prepaid expense because we pay it in advance and later on it will be expensed, okay? Every month or every year it will be expensed, okay? That's why we call it a prepaid expense, but it is a current account. The main account type is actually a current asset account. Then, oh, let us see supplies. Supplies, so we need the supplies expense as an expense account later on for adjusting entry. So, but now we need the supplies. I think we don't have supplies. So let us change this one first. Let us change supplies expense. Okay, do we have another supplies? Let us see. So we don't have another supplies expense, so we need to create supplies as a current account, okay? A current asset account. Again, it is similar to a prepaid expense. You can choose either as a current asset or prepaid expense. But the main account should be current assets, okay? Supplies. Then the salaries expense, let us see. I think we have payroll. We have payroll expense. Let us edit it. So we have property, plant, and equipment. I'll just edit this one. And this one should be not land, machinery, and equipment, okay? Similarly, the accumulated depreciation. And then short-term loan. Okay, let us edit this one. Then rent expense. Rent expense, let us edit this one. Drawing. I think we don't have withdrawal or drawing here. We don't have it, so let us just create a new account. It is an owner's equity account. This drawing. Good. telephone internet expense. Include on a telephone and internet expense. So let us create expense. These are utilities expense, as you can see. Okay, telephone, water, electricity are telephone. These are utilities expenses. Okay, so I'll just keep this one. Done. Okay, let us come to adjusting entries. Insurance expense. I think I have insurance expense. Okay. I'll just edit this one. Insurance, so this one is okay, this one is okay, we are done. Depreciation expense, not yet. So we don't have depreciation expenses, so let us just create. So let us just keep it as operating expenses, okay? And then accumulated depreciation already created. Interest expense, let us see. Interest. Oh, interest expense is already here. Interest payable. Oh, we don't have interest income, by the way. Let us remove this part, make inactive. We don't have dividend income. We don't have this. We don't have this. Let us make the. We'll come to interest payable, okay? So we don't have interest expense, interest payable, I mean. So let us create expense. Oh, it is interest payable, right? Should be current liabilities. It will be related to our loan payable, so I'll just choose loan payable, interest payable, okay? Okay, good. Next part, QuickBooks. Let us say it is a recurring item. So let us say subscription. Do some subscriptions, so let us edit this one. QuickBooks subscription expense. Accounts payable, it will be automatic, okay? So we are done with our chart of accounts, okay? So let us just see if there are some, if it needs some cleaning. So for example, we don't need this one. Telephone, we need it. Travel expense, we don't need that one. Okay. We don't need this one. I'm just checking again, okay? Okay. Let me remove this one again. Okay. The two accounts, we cannot edit them, so I'll just keep them. Okay, now we are done with our chart of accounts. Okay, we need to submit the PDF file for our chart of accounts, but for now, just keep it. You need to submit it later. Okay, we'll generate a PDF file of our chart of accounts later. Okay, so this is how we clean our chart of accounts. Okay.